And Jai Hind students, I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of step-wise thinking solution of brain developer. Jenny used the rules add 5, subtract 3 to make the number pattern as shown below. What will be missing number? Means 5 ऐड करना, 3 ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. क्लियर? मीन्स 12 में 5 प्लस किया देन 17. 17 में 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 14. 14 में अगेन 5 प्लस किया 19. देन अगेन 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 16. देन 16 में 5 प्लस किया तो आंसर इज 21. हाउ मैनी एप्पल्स आर नीडेड टू बैलेंस टू अ पाइनएप्पल? देयर आर 8 apples to be needed. Now question number 3. How many dots will be there in a figure E? A 1, B we have to plus 1, 2, then we have to plus 3 in 1, 4, then we have to plus in 4, 3 again 7, then what will be in E? We have to plus 4 in the 7, it will be 11. Answer is 11. Study a figure carefully. A. Use the same rules, solve figure B. 12.5, 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 9 into 5, 45, यानी 45. Then is equal to 450. Then 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 24 10 ja 240. Same pattern. Now again is mental maths. Okay. Select a figure from the option in which figure X is exactly embedded as one of its part. It means in one figure you can see twice time. In C figure you can see twice time. In D figure is the twice time, but in B figure it is the only one time. Now the second question. Select a figure from the option which will complete the pattern given below. Then if we add one figure, it will not applicated to X. This is also not. This is the figure. It is applicable for this because this has this type of figure. In which of the following option figure X exactly embedded as one of its part? No, this is not. A is not. Only this part. If we erase this part, it can be embedded just like this. Now question number 4. The given question consists of the figure I1, 2, 3 and 4. There is a definite relationship between figure 1 and 2. Establish a similar relations between figure 3 and 4 by selecting a figure from the option which will replace the question mark in figure 4. This is the one figure. It has the relations between this shape. Then this is the figure. This has the relations between this shape. It means D is correct. Which of the following option replace the question mark in figure X? Okay. This is not applicable. This is not applicable. This is the applicable because all the three are similar to this figure. Now analogy, which is the similar to next one. Here is the deaf. Here is the similar to deaf and speak is to silent. It means बहरे को सुनाई नहीं देता. स्पीक कौन बोलने वाला क्या रहता है? साइलेंट रहता है. बैंक इज इन टू मनी. बैंक में मनी होता है. ट्रांसपोर्ट पर क्या होता है? गुड्स होता है. फैन में विंग्स होता है. व्हील में कार कार में व्हील होते हैं. हॉर्स इज नी. हॉर्स नी करता है. जैकल हाउल करता है. आर्किटेक्ट इज टू बिल्डिंग. आर्किटेक्ट का रिलेशन बिल्डिंग से है. देन स्कल्पचर का रिलेशन स्टैचूज से है. Illiteracy is related to education. Flood is related to dam. Skeleton is related to body and grammar is related to language. Now this is the encoding for friend. Here they escape the two words. FGHRSTIJKEFGNOPDEF. Same, this is the same just like candle. CDEABCNOPDEFLMNEFG is the similar to the candle. Now question number 2. In the certain code picnic is this word. And how is the chocolate written in the code? Chocolate. For the picnic, he skipped the one word. CDENOPIJKEDE. So, for what is the correct coding for chocolate? You have to skip only one word. CDOPLMABTUEF. This is the correct coding for the chocolate. Now next is, this is the reverse. This is the reverse system. ROTAR. Just like what will we which word would be coded for this word? This is also a reverse system. AMMU ammunition. NITION. If in a certain language grasp is coded this word, then which word would be coded by the crane? This word is crane. This is the correct word for the C for the crane. If good is written this coding, how will you write the dream? Dream, it is the correct number for dream. If bad is coded 2-1-20, then better B2 E5 T20 E5 R18. This is the correct coding. If the rose is coded 18, 15, 19, 5, then search 19-5-1, 18-3-8. This is the correct code. Now this is the mental math. Solve the expressions. Then the next is, find the total amount of the shopkeeper for purchasing 10 notebooks, 12 pencils and eraser. Cost of the notebook is 15. One notebook is 15 is equal to 10, 50, 2, 12 is equal to 24, 0 is equal to 0. Then we have to plus this 4, 7, 1. Answer is 174. Now same answer here also. Now given chart, the given chart shows the number of the marker desk of some students. Which of two students have number of the marker could be shared equally among 3 students? Student number of marker on the desk is Sanjay 12, Harsh 19, Mohit 13, Tanuj 9. Then Tanush and Sanjay distribute the among the 3 students. Sanjay 12 and Tanuj is 12. Answer is Sanjay and Tanuj. They will share among the students marker on the desk. Every class that visit the Life Science Museum is divided into group. group of 4 students for each tour guide. Which of the following classes would not be able to form group of 4 students with the none left over? It means 4, 10, 12, 8. There is the class of 30 to 46 students can't be make a group of for the 4 students. In an examination, Raj scored more marks than Rohan, but not as many as Meena. Meena got more than marks Ganesh and Rupali. No, Ganesh got less marks than Rohan, but his marks are not lowest in the group. Who's second in descending order of the marks? Of course, Raj. Okay.